Activity 5, mark making. Creating leaf, stone, wall and brick rubbings. This is what we got today for activity 5. I had to stick them on because when we are going to be doing these rubbings, they are going to not move. Because if I don't, these coins would move around and it would be annoying. I've redone this a few times. So let's just start with the coin because it's the smallest. That's how a coin looks like, which is kind of strange.
Okay, Victor, try the next one.
I guess it's because it's sellotape.
Maybe.
So that's how it looks like, just in case you didn't see the picture.
What's number 2 drawing like?
Number 2 drawing is...
And depending on how you colour it is how much detail you get.
I'm right now trying to... Always I try to actually make out the lines before I actually colour it in. So that's how it looks like.
Yeah.
If you can see on the camera, there's a little bit more detail than the last one.
Okay. Let's
Now
try a leaf.
The leaf...
We have more luck with a leaf. Let's have a look.
After this video, I have to sharpen my pencil. The leaf doesn't actually have much detail, which means it's easier to make. But still, you have no idea what you're making because the leaf, you cannot tell.
Okay, some leaves are no good. Hey, how about this one, Victor?
This one came out no good. It just looks like a
Okay, that's
squirrel.
it. So some leaves are too squidgy.
Maybe this one.
Maybe if you tried a dry leaf another time. Let's try this. Hi, Victor.
You make a dry, before this, you make a dry leaf by leaving it in the sun or compacting it for all its...
Or you find it from the garden.
Yes, or you press it so hard with a special leaf press that all its water drains out.
Okay. Well, this time it is working. See? This is using a wooden carving and it's coming out really well.
Let's now make the angles about right there.
You need to keep the paper very confirmed, like Victor's doing, so that you don't muddle up the picture.
Like that, like it just flies out. And don't do it at rapid speed like I am. My hand just moves fast. And this is how it looks like.
Wow, I can see the pattern there, and I can see the pattern there. Okay, thank you, Victor, for showing us how to do rubbings. Bye.
Bye.